Oh, sorry, stop a minute. Do I need the sunglasses on? This, oh, stop a minute, I'll press them. And moving aft. Oh, fuck. Hello, I'd like to introduce our W11, brand new this week. This is a short video to show you over the boat, to show you all the features. So our W11 Legacy Edition comes complete with side terrace, hydraulically operated. Put it all the way down and you can see it's an absolute flat floor all the way out. And then you have extra deck space. I'd like to show you the solar roof now. This is non-standard, and it also has the Legacy Edition interior Alcantara material with a waterproof membrane on the top. I'll just open the roof. With this Legacy Edition, you'll see the upholstery is upgraded. So you have the two-tone upholstery with the normal high-quality Nimbus teak. You see the Nimbus inlay there. All of the rails, everything are very solid, very robust. This being the Legacy has leather wrapped handrails. You can see the Legacy again here. The steering wheel, the dashboard, more rails. You see it's all wrapped in leather. And then here you can see just how tough and how strong the boat is, as with all Nimbus, very robust. So this is the aft locker. The boat was designed to have the possibility of inboard engines. This has outboard engines, so you have a massive space here, which is checker plate, aluminium checker plate floor, flat floor. Huge amount of space. All that's in there at the moment is the mast for the roof. Because it's brand new, it's not been fitted. You have the canvases to go above all the glass, so you can make a complete enclosure. Fenders and lines, and cutlery and crockery, which is all included. Here you'll see a very wide sidewalk. The boat is scalloped away, so you've got more foot space to come through, and the cabin is asymmetric. It's wider on this side than it is the other side, so this is your main access. And then moving forward, you'll see the sun pads, which have adjustable backrests, so you can have it at whichever angle you like. And then forward from there is a big locker, and then the anchor locker forward from that. So this is the transformer platform in its down position, which gives very easy access into the water. So now I would be underwater by past my knees, and you can lift the platform up, put a remote here, you can lift it while you stood on it, which gives you access for anybody that finds it difficult to come out of the water normally. This is the platform going to centre position. So this is standard. Then you can lower the next section. This is for when you're at sea or on an anchor, I should say, and you want to go swimming. This gives you unbelievable access. Very easy. The platform can take 150 kilos, so people can stand on it. If it's difficult for you to get in and out of the water, you can stand on it and be lifted out of the water. This is the interior of the W11. You'll see here we have the third fridge. There's 3 fridges on board, 1 here and 2 in the cockpit. Then moving forward, you have a dresser, storage. Here you'll see the forward bed, more storage underneath. In here, this is an option, is a wardrobe storage. Inside here you'll see the heads, which you have sink heads, which is also a shower. Moving aft, you have the aft cabin, which you can see you have a seat there, and then you have a big bed with a roof light above. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little tour of the W11. We will be making some more videos of other boats, so keep a lookout for those. Have a look at our website, you'll see the full specification for the W11, and we'll see you again. Roll on the summer.